Just checked in to my flight. Business class to Doha and then economy to Abu Dhabi. But that'll do, just a 1 hour flight. I'm very excited. Warmth, even though it's getting a bit warmer here in Switzerland. It's going to be a good flight. Unfortunately, once again, I've been thwarted. I have been cheated out of the qsuites by a last-minute aircraft change. Today we're flying on a 777-300 ER, which is actually leased from Cathay Pacific, so it's a pretty decent business class, but it's just not qsuite. So yeah, security lines are minimal as usual. In fact, business class is as full as economy, so anybody flying economy should not worry too much. Through security, I'm going to look for my friend who works here at the airport. Oh, I can already see him. So let me go and surprise my friend. Habari za siku? How you doing, man? All good?
Poor. Abu Dhabi. 16.
Abu Dhabi.
Madeira finished. Cheers, bro.
Cheers.
It's delicious.
That's pretty delicious.
Right?
Yeah.
It's 30% off, man. It's
As well.
100 and something. Also have a shop at the Circle. It's called Anecdote. But
Okay.
when we have good prices like this, they have them too. So it's
Really?
basically duty free.
Okay. It's Ardberg. Oh my god. That one I can't
You don't
drink.
like it smoky.
Two, that one is, it's like someone's dug it out of a bloody swamp, yeah?
Yeah. This is very muscular. Sulfurous whiskey.
Let's try.
Something completely different because of the way they distill.
Okay.
To the Abu Dhabi, it's totally different. Fucking, I feel like drinking.
I think I have to wear my sunglasses. It's good to have somebody working in the whiskey section of the duty free. God knows how many shots I've had now with my buddy. Feeling. So off we go to Gates E. So got the whiskey. 4 liters of Jameson should be enough for the first week or two. You can already see our Qatar Airways plane. Let's have a look at that. Very exciting, very exciting. The Emirates plane that I would normally be taking looks like it's ready to take off. Well, there we go. Direct flight, and as is an A380, it's almost completely empty most of the time. So last time I had 14 rows to myself. But yes, I can't complain. I'm flying business class in Qatar, so this should be fun. Need to eat something.
It's not every day you get a lounge with a...
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Exactly. One of the best lounges you can have. There's the plane. Well, not the one I'm supposed to be on, the one I'm normally on. So, masks unfortunately are enforced on the plane. Where's my seat? 11A. Best seat in the house. Well, obviously not, because I'm not flying first. But it'll have to do. Thank you.
I'd like to welcome you aboard today's flight to Doha. May I offer you anything to drink at the moment?
Yes, I heard we could have some of the rosé champagne.
Alright, well, I'll be back.
Thank you.
Now that is a decent sized footwell.
are here. You're welcome. And a refreshing towel.
Perfect, thanks so much.
When your menu cards are here, please have a look. I'll be back shortly to get your preference.
Perfect, thanks so much. Footwell is so much bigger in this 11A than in the seat 11A than any other seat I've been on before. It's absolutely gigantic. Look at my eyes. Obviously, no wonder the stewardess was laughing at me. I look like a panda. I had to work until 7 in the morning. Then my retainer broke. I got tomorrow to get an appointment at the dentist. Of course, a dentist appointment was at 9:15, so I slept for like 30-40 minutes. Then I had to go to the dentist, get it fixed, then go back to the hotel, sleep again for like 1.5-2 hours, and then come here. And I used Expert Flyer this morning, but I said it like 5 o'clock. It's the best seat in the whole business class from Goa, and I just got it now. I've already ordered my chapula, Arabic meze, like mutabel, hummus, those kind of things, karte, olio, followed by lobster and scallop, and then cheese, and then chocolate cake, and God knows what else. Yeah. Next stop, Doha, just after midnight. We transfer and then off to Abu Dhabi with my 4 liters of whiskey.